What's up, everyone? Welcome back to one group of guidance and counseling, the podcast where we unpack what is really like to navigate life, school, and everything to between. I am your host, Johannes Setiohadi.
And I'm Rizky. Today we're diving into a topic that hits very close to home for both of us and probably everyone listening. The challenge of being a student in the digital.
Oh man, where do we even start? On one hand, we have the entire realm of human knowledge in our podcast. On the other hand, well, I just spent 3 hours watching cat videos when I was supposed to be writing a history essay.
The struggle is real, Pak Yopi, and that right there is challenge number one: information overload and distraction. Technology give us access to everything. Which means it also gives us access to every possible distraction. It takes an incredible amount of willpower just to stay on one browser tab.
Actually, and it is not just the distractions. Have you noticed how the boundaries between school time, personal time have completed blurred?
Definitely, since everything is online, Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, emails, it feel like you're always on call. You get a notification about an assignment and suddenly you're stressed out when you solve the winding down for bit.
Oh, actually, yes, that's always on, and city is coexisting. It leads to major burnout. Plus, let's talk about the AI revolution. Tools like ChatGPT can be helpful, but they also bring a whole new layer of pressure.
Oh, for sure, students are stuck in this where gray area. How do you use I as a tool to learn without crossing the line into academic dishonesty? And professors are getting hyper suspicious, sometimes even flagging original work by accident. It's like navigating a mini fail.
Right, it makes you question your own skills sometimes. And speaking of mental health, we cannot ignore the social aspect. Group project great when the works, but doing then digitally or trying to balance school while scrolling through everyone perfect life on Instagram.
Oh, the compression trap you see classmates posting a good their perfect study routes fitness, their internships, their aesthetics, and you just staying there in your pajamas, wondering why your coach won't run. It creates this invisible pressure to be perfect.
So, Rizky, we have painted a pretty heavy picture here. Distraction, blurred boundaries, all Confucius, and social comparison. Are we doomed, or is there a way out?
Where definite style, not doomage. It's all about setting boundaries for me. Turning off school notification, match 7
Chance.
change the game, and using apps that block social media during study blocks. We have to use technology international rather than letting it use us.
Well said. It is about the master of your device, not the self. Well, that's all the time we have for today episode episode the guidance and counseling.
To all the students on their listening, hang and their close to extra psych steps and takes a deep breath. You've got this.
Okay, catch you in the next episode.